Let's explore the SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. The SUMIF function allows you to sum values based on specific conditions. For example, consider a table with product names, categories, and sales figures. With SUMIF, you can calculate the total sales for a particular category, such as electronics. In the example table, we have products like laptop, phone, desk, and tablet with corresponding categories and sales. The SUMIF function is used to find the sum of sales where the category is electronics. The total sales for electronics, including laptop, phone, and tablet, is $2,600. The syntax of the SUMIF function is as follows: equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, range, comma, criteria, comma, sum range, close parenthesis. Let's break down each parameter. The range is the range of cells that you want to evaluate against the criteria. The criteria is the condition that must be met for the cells to be included in the sum. The sum range is the range of cells to sum. This parameter is optional. If omitted, the cells in the range are summed. Now let's walk through a basic example of how to use the SUMIF function. Consider an Excel table with columns A, B, and C representing product, category, and sales respectively. To calculate the total sales for the electronics category, the formula would be equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, B:B, comma, double quotation mark, electronics, double quotation mark, comma, C:C, close parenthesis. In this formula, B:B specifies the range of cells containing the categories, electronics is the criteria, and C:C is the range of cells containing the sales values. The result of this formula is 2,600, which represents the sum of sales for all products in the electronics category. The SUMIF function can also be used with numeric criteria to sum values based on numerical conditions. Here are some examples. To sum values where column A is greater than 500, the formula is equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, A:, comma, double quotation mark, greater than 500, double quotation mark, comma, B:B, close parenthesis. To sum values where column A is less than or equal to 1,000, the formula is equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, A:, comma, double quotation mark, less than or equals 1,000, double quotation mark, comma, B:B, close parenthesis. To sum values where column A is not equal to 0, the formula is equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, A:, comma, double quotation mark, less than greater than 0, double quotation mark, comma, B:B, close parenthesis. To sum values where column A equals exactly 100, the formula is equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, A:, comma, 100, comma, B:B, close parenthesis. The SUMIF function supports text criteria and wildcards, allowing for more flexible and dynamic summing. To sum values where column A starts with app, the formula is equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, A:, comma, double quotation mark, app asterisk, double quotation mark, comma, B:B, close parenthesis. The asterisk wildcard represents any number of characters. To sum values where column A ends with ing, the formula is equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, A:, comma, double quotation mark, asterisk ing, double quotation mark, comma, B:B, close parenthesis. To sum values where column A contains sales, the formula is equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, A:, comma, double quotation mark, asterisk sales asterisk, double quotation mark, comma, B:B, close parenthesis. Here's a quick reference for wildcards. The asterisk symbol represents any number of characters. The question mark symbol represents a single character. The tilde asterisk symbol represents a literal asterisk. The tilde question mark symbol represents a literal question mark. Cell references can be used in SUMIF criteria to create dynamic and flexible formulas. Consider an Excel table with columns A, B, C, and D representing category, amount, criteria, and result respectively. To use the value in cell C2 as the criteria, the formula is equals SUMIF open parenthesis a colon A comma C2 comma B colon B close parenthesis. To some values where column B is greater than the value in cell C2, the formula is equals SUMIF open parenthesis B colon B comma double quotation mark greater than double quotation mark ampersand C2 comma B colon B close parenthesis. Let's explore common errors encountered when using the SUMIF function and how to correct them. A common mistake is missing quotes around text criteria. The incorrect formula is equals SUMIF open parenthesis a colon A comma electronics comma B colon B close parenthesis. The correct formula is equals SUMIF open parenthesis a colon A comma double quotation mark electronics double quotation mark comma B colon B close parenthesis. Another frequent error is range mismatch. The incorrect formula is equals SUMIF open parenthesis A1 colon A5 comma double quotation mark food double quotation mark comma B1 colon B10 close parenthesis. The correct formula is equals SUMIF open parenthesis A1 colon A5 comma double quotation mark food double quotation mark comma B1 colon B5 close parenthesis. Another error is using text for numbers and vice versa. The incorrect formula is equals SUMIF open parenthesis a colon A double quotation mark 100 double quotation mark comma B colon B close parenthesis. The improved formula is equals SUMIF open parenthesis a colon A comma 100 comma B colon B close parenthesis. It is important to note that SUMIF is not case sensitive. The formula equals SUMIF open parenthesis a colon A double quotation mark food double quotation mark comma B colon B close parenthesis will match food and food. Let's compare the SUMIF and SUMIFS functions. SUMIF is used for single condition summing, while SUMIFS is used for multiple conditions summing. The syntax for SUMIF is equals SUMIF open parenthesis range comma criteria comma sum range close parenthesis. An example of SUMIF is equals SUMIF open parenthesis a colon A comma double quotation mark electronics double quotation mark comma C colon C close parenthesis. The syntax for SUMIFS is equals SUMIFS open parenthesis sum range comma criteria range 1 comma criteria 1 comma criteria range 2 comma criteria 2 comma and so on close parenthesis. An example of SUMIFS is equals SUMIFS open parenthesis C colon C comma a colon A comma double quotation mark electronics double quotation mark comma B colon B double quotation mark greater than 500 double quotation mark close parenthesis. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.